Buying crypto in Europe has changed. Since the new MiCA regulations come into effect, some exchanges have updated their services, payment options, and regional availability. So if you're looking for a simple and compliant way to buy crypto, this video is for you. Fortunately, there's a simpler way to get started. Today, we are taking a closer look at Paybis to see how it simplifies buying crypto with 20 plus local and global payment methods, support for 100 plus cryptocurrencies, and a beginner-friendly experience that can get many users started in as little as 2 minutes. Welcome back to Crypto Journal. If you're new here, this channel is all about crypto news, beginner-friendly guides, and honest platform reviews to help you make informed decisions. Let's explore what Paybis has to offer and why it's becoming a popular choice for many crypto users across Europe. Even in 2026, buying crypto can still be frustrating. With MiCA now in effect, some platforms have changed their services across Europe. While users continue to face limited payment options and slow transfers, that's why choosing a simple, compliant platform matters more than ever. That's where Paybis comes in. The platform is designed to make buying crypto simple without unnecessary steps or complicated trading screens. Getting started is straightforward. Simply choose whether you want to buy, sell, swap, or manage your crypto. Enter the amount you would like to spend, select your cryptocurrency, and choose your preferred payment method. One of Paybis' biggest advantages is its flexibility. The platform supports more than 20 local and global payment methods, including Revolut Pay, PayPal, Apple Pay, Google Pay, credit and debit cards, ACH bank transfer, and many other regional payment options, depending on where you live. The experience is also designed with simplicity in mind. For many users, identity verification takes less than 2 minutes, and you can either store your assets in the Paybis wallet or send them directly to your own external wallet. If you ever need assistance 24/7, customer support is available to help whenever you need it. Beyond the platform itself, Paybis has also built a strong reputation among its users. On Trustpilot, it has more than 32,000 reviews, with many customers praising its straightforward setup, fast transactions, and overall ease of use. While individual experience can vary, it's another sign that many users have had a positive experience with the platform. Beyond buying and selling, Paybis also helps you stay on top of the market. You can track live Bitcoin prices, monitor market trends, view key market data, and catch up on the latest crypto news, all from one place. If you prefer managing your crypto on the go, simply scan the QR code to download the Paybis app. And if you're creating a new account, use my referral link in the description along with my promo code to get 0% Paybis fees on your first trade and 50% off Paybis fees on your next 5 trades. Paybis has also built a strong global presence. The platform supports over 100 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and Solana, along with 65 plus fiat currencies. It's also available in 180 plus countries and offers 20 plus local and global payment methods, making crypto more accessible wherever you are. Alongside its global reach, Paybis puts a strong focus on security and ease of use, with fast verification, 24/7 customer support, instant payouts, and regulatory oversight in the EU. The US and Canada, the platform is designed to provide a reliable and straightforward experience for both new and experienced crypto users. If you'd like to try Paybis yourself, be sure to use my referral link in the description below before creating your account. As a new user, you will receive 0% Paybis fees on your first trade, and by applying my promo code from the description or pinned comment, you will also get 50% off Paybis fees on your next 5 trades. Once you have signed in, you'll be taken straight to the buy page. The dashboard is clean, modern, and easy to navigate. Simply enter the amount you'd like to spend, choose from 20 plus local and global payment methods, and select from over 100 supported cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, Cardano, Dogecoin, and many more. Before confirming your purchase, Paybis clearly shows exactly how much crypto you will receive, so you know what to expect before completing the transaction. If you want to cash out your crypto, simply choose the crypto you like to sell, enter the amount, and the platform will instantly show how much you will receive before you confirm the transactions. The process is quick, transparent, and easy to follow. If you already own crypto, you can instantly swap one cryptocurrency for another without needing to use a separate exchange. You can also track everything from the history section, where all your previous transactions are neatly organized for easy reference. Paybis also provides a live price page where you can track real-time cryptocurrency prices, market cap, 24-hour trading volume, and price trends for major coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, and many more. Paybis also includes a built-in crypto calculator, allowing you to instantly convert Bitcoin into your local currency or the other way around using live market prices. It's a quick and convenient tool for estimating the value of your crypto. Before buying or selling, Paybis clearly displays the supported payment methods along with their available currencies, supported regions, transaction limits, estimated processing times, and auto rejection periods. This makes it easy to compare your options and choose the payment method that best fits your location and needs before making a purchase. Paybis doesn't just focus on buying and selling crypto, it also provides educational resources that explain the risk of cryptocurrency investing, reminding users to research carefully, understand the market, and invest responsibly. If you're looking for a simple and compliant way to buy crypto in Europe, check out Paybis using my referral link below. You'll receive 0% Paybis fees on your first trade and 50% off Paybis fees on your next 5 trades. With my promo code, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Crypto Journal, and turn on notification for more crypto news, guides, and platform reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.